A former school principal who was once entrusted with shaping the future of young people, he has now been sentenced to spend the rest of his life behind bars after being found guilty of orchestrating the brutal murder of a Metro Police captain. The KwaZulu-Natal Local Division of the High Court sitting in Durban, he has sentenced the 56-year-old Thembiso Khumalo together with 48-year-old Khulani Cele to life imprisonment for the murder of Metro Police Captain Zwelakhe Ntombela. The sentence follows their conviction, which was handed down on 11 May 2026, bringing years of investigation and court proceedings to a significant conclusion. According to the court, Khumalo was not only convicted of murder, but was also faced several additional charges linked to the crime. He received 2 separate 8-year prison sentences for the unlawful possession of firearm, an additional 18 months of the unlawful possession of ammunition, and another 8 years for defeating the ends of justice. The court ordered that these sentences run concurrently with the life sentence, meaning you will effectively serve life imprisonment. Both Khumalo and Cele were also declared unfit to possess firearm. The case dates back to 3 May 2023 when Captain Zwelakhe Ntombela was arrested outside his home in Umlazi, south of Durban. According to investigators, the officer had just arrived at the residence when he was ambushed by armed suspects. He was shot multiple times before his private firearm and official service pistol were stolen from the scene. The shocking murder sent shockwaves through the law enforcement community and highlighted the dangers police officers continue to face even when they are off duty. Captain Ntombela yet dedicated his career to saving and protecting his community and making his death an especially painful loss for both his family and colleagues. The investigation into the killing was led by the KwaZulu-Natal Hawks, who worked tirelessly to identify everyone involved. Lieutenant Colonel Simphiwe Mhlongo, spokesperson for the Hawks, confirmed that investigators followed numerous leads that eventually resulted in several arrests. During the investigation, authorities also recovered firearms believed to be connected to the case, providing important evidence that helped strengthen the prosecution's case before the court. As the investigation progressed, it became clear that more than 2 individuals were allegedly involved in the planning and execution of the murder. The case resulted in multiple prosecutions over several years. One of the earlier convictions involved Mzo Ntombela, who was sentenced to 20 years imprisonment for this role in the crime. Another accused, Nongcebo Ntombela, was also convicted and sentenced to life imprisonment for murder of Khulani Cele, and one of the men sentenced alongside Khumalo was already serving a life sentence in prison. When these proceedings continued, demonstrating the seriousness of the offenses linked to the case. The successful prosecution represents another milestone in the fight against violent crime targeting law enforcement officers. Prosecutors urged that attacks on police officials not only rob families of their loved ones, but also undermine public safety and the rule of law. The court's decision to impose life imprisonment reflects the gravity of the offense and sends a strong message that those responsible for killing police officers will face severe consequences. The works have repeatedly emphasized that investigations into the murder of police officers remain a top priority. Such crimes often involve organized criminal networks seeking to obtain firearms or eliminate officers who may pose a threat to criminal activities. Law enforcement agencies continue working to recover illegal firearms and dismantle criminal syndicates responsible for violent attacks across the country. While this sentencing marks an important chapter in the case, it also serves as a reminder of the risk that police officers and law enforcement officials face every day, both while on duty and in their private lives. Families of fallen officers often enjoy years of emotional pain as criminal cases move through the justice system before reaching their conclusion. For the family of Captain Zwelakhe Ntombela, the life sentences handed down by the Durban High Court may provide a measure of justice after more than 3 years of waiting. Although no court judgment can reverse the loss they have suffered, the convictions demonstrate the commitment of investigators, prosecutors, and the judiciary to holding those responsible accountable. As South Africa continues to confront violent crime, cases such as this highlight the importance of thorough investigations, cooperation between law enforcement agencies, and a justice system determined to ensure that those who commit serious offenses are brought before the courts. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you believe life sentences are an appropriate punishment for the murder of another human being? Or maybe there should be a way to handle this case. Share your views respectfully in the comments below. And if you found this report informative, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates on crime cases and breaking news from across South Africa. Thank you so much for watching.